Problem set 2, question number 2. First one is what? Multiple choice question. That we will do afterwards. First we will solve the sums. देखा which are the equations are quadratic equation. इसमें से कौन सा equation quadratic है? Already we have done this one before only. Let's see. The highest index of the variable must be 2. अगर highest index 2 रहेगा, that means it is called what? Quadratic equation. Nothing. The highest index of variable x is 2. Therefore, the equation is QE. QE means what? Quadratic equation. This was the first sum. Correct? Next one, same one. We will do what? Now first we solve this. Solve करो इसको. See, solve के अंदर क्या? See ये x square इधर है, ये plus cancel हो गया. This get cancel. क्या बचा है? Minus 2x plus 5 is equal to what? 0. Correct? Now see. Now here index is what? 1. Therefore, highest index of x is what? 1. Therefore, the equation is not a quadratic equation because we required 2, but here is what? 1. Therefore, it is not a quadratic equation. Okay. Third sum. Now, for this one, इसको expand करो. A square plus 2ab plus b square 2x square. ठीक है. A b b. Open the bracket. X square 2 2s are 4x plus 4 is equal to 2x square. Take that side. 2x square minus x square minus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. Minus करो. X square minus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, highest index of variable is 2. Therefore, the required equation is quadratic equation. This was the first. Second sum we have completed. Correct? Question number 3, problem set 2. Find the discriminant. Discriminant is what? Delta. Previous also मैंने समझ लिया था. Delta का मतलब होता है we have to find what? B square minus 4ac की वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. So कैसा होगा? First find what? A की वैल्यू है. A is what? 2. B is what? Minus 1. And C is what? 2. Therefore, delta is equal to B square minus 4ac. So B square minus B की वैल्यू क्या है? Minus 1 square 4. A की वैल्यू क्या है? 2. C की वैल्यू क्या है? 2. So 1 का स्क्वायर 1 minus 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. कितना आंसर है? minus 15. So delta क्या आया? Delta is what? minus 15. Correct? Now, then we are going to find what? The second one. A की वैल्यू क्या है? 5. Correct? B value is what? minus 1. And C. इधर first arrange करो. M square minus M. Third term is not given, put 0. Correct? And C is what here? 0. So find what? Delta. B square minus 4ac minus 4ac. B क्या है? minus 1 the whole square minus 4 और A की वैल्यू 0, A की वैल्यू 5 and C की वैल्यू है 0. आंसर क्या है इसका? 1. But if you multiply any number with 0, answer will be what? 0. Therefore, delta we got what? 1. Okay. This was the second sum. Third sum. Okay. Third sum क्या है? A. A is what? root 5. B is what? Minus 1. C is what? Minus root 5. Right? So now find delta. Formula क्या b square minus 4ac. b क्या है? minus 1 square 4. a की वैल्यू क्या है? root 5 और c की वैल्यू क्या है? minus root 5. a का 1 का square 1 minus plus root 5 into 5 5 4 is 20. Therefore, discriminant delta is equal to what? Minus 21. This was the three sums of what? Question number 3. Now, sum number 4. 1 root is what? Minus 2. That means 1 root of this equation, quadratic equation, they will be what? Minus 2. What equation? 2x square plus ax minus 2 is equal to 0. Now, we have to find the value of what? A. Now see, solution. 1 root of the quadratic equation is what? Minus 2. Therefore, x is equal to what? Minus 2. So, substitute the value in the equation. What is the equation? Equation में लिखो 2x square plus kx minus 2 is equal to ये equation है. In this have to put what value? x की value क्या है? minus 2 square plus k x की value क्या है? minus 2. minus 2 is equal to 0. माइनस का स्क्वायर पे होगा प्लस होगा. सो इधर आएगा 4 प्लस माइनस माइनस 2 इंटू के 2k माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू 0. 4 2 is 8 minus 2k minus 2 is equal to 0. Correct? 8 see minus 2 8 minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Correct? So minus 2k take that side minus 6. Therefore k is equal to minus 6 upon minus 2. Therefore k is equal to what? We got the answer what? We got answer 3. This was the first question of our problem set. See, question number 5. Two roots are given. Two roots are given. Correct? Two roots are given. Frame the quadratic equation. How to frame the quadratic equation? Now see here. First of all, let the two root be alpha and beta. Right? So alpha is what? 10 and beta is what? minus 10. Right? To find the coordinate, first find what? Alpha plus beta. Right? So alpha plus beta is equal to 10 plus minus 10 is equal to 10 minus 10 is equal to what? 0. So alpha plus beta, we got the value what? 0. Now find alpha into beta. Alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is what? 10 into minus 10 is equal to what? Minus 100. So alpha into beta, we got what? Minus 100. Right? Therefore, the required equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x minus what? Plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. This is what the quadratic equation. So how will we solve this one? X square minus alpha plus beta is what? 0. 0x plus alpha plus beta is what? Alpha into beta is what? Minus 100 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square plus minus minus 100 is equal to what? 0. So this is what you are required answer. Right? Now, when you move to same sum, here alpha is what? Alpha is what? 10. Alpha is what? 1 minus 3 root 5. And beta is what? 1 plus 3 root 5. Right? Now, so alpha plus beta. So we get the answer 1 minus then plus 1 plus 3 root 5. Right? So minus plus, this is cancel. So alpha plus beta is equal to what? 1 plus 1, 2. Now find what alpha into beta. 1 minus 3 root 5 and 1 minus 1 plus 3 root 5. Correct? So alpha into beta is equal to a square minus b square. 1 का square 1, 3 का square 9 into what 5. Correct? So 1 minus 45. So alpha into beta is equal to what? Minus 44. Therefore the required equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x minus plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Therefore x square alpha plus beta is what? 2x plus alpha into beta क्या था? Minus 44 is equal to 0. So x square minus 2x plus minus 1. Now question number first, question number second and question number 3 sub question. Now again here alpha क्या है? Alpha 0 है and beta is what? 7. First क्या find करने का? Alpha plus beta 0 plus 7 is equal to what? 7. फिर alpha into beta 0 into 7 is equal to 0. Therefore the required equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Correct? So therefore equation क्या है? x square minus alpha plus beta क्या है? 7x plus alpha into beta क्या है? 0 is equal to 0. Therefore x square minus 7x equal to 0 is what your required equation. Question number 6. Determine the nature of the root. It can be negative, it can be positive, it can be 0. So to find करने का what the nature of the root. Now the first one. Already we have did some what in the previous exercise में. Here by comparing the equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Compare. A की वैल्यू क्या गई 3, b की वैल्यू क्या है -5 and c की वैल्यू क्या है 7. After getting a, b, c value, then find what delta. फॉर्मूले कैसे delta का b square minus 4ac. So b की वैल्यू क्या है -5 the whole square, 4a की वैल्यू क्या है 3 और c की वैल्यू क्या है 7. माइनस से स्क्वायर है तो 25 है, 5 का स्क्वायर 25 माइनस 4 3 से 12, 12 7 is 84. So delta is equal to answer will be what 84 minus 25 करो, ये 9 और ये 7, ये आगे तुम्हारा 4. So is 5 होगा राइट. 4 carry over 80. So इसको what minus 59. Therefore delta is what less than what 0. And delta is less than 0. Therefore root are not equal. This was the first sum. This one say same way by comparing the equation with ax square bx plus c is equal to 0. So a की वैल्यू क्या है √3, b की वैल्यू क्या है √2 और c की वैल्यू क्या है -2√3. करेक्ट. फाइंड व्हाट डेल्टा. b स्क्वायर minus 4ac. b क्या है √2 स्क्वायर 4 रूट a की वैल्यू क्या है √2, c की वैल्यू क्या है -2√3. तो 2 का स्क्वायर 4 माइनस माइनस प्लस 4 2s are 8, √3 into √3 3. So 4 plus 8 3s are 24. We get the answer what 28. So delta क्या है हम लोगों को 28. That is delta is greater than 0. When delta is greater than 0, therefore roots are real and what roots are real and unequal. अगर positive रहेगा तो roots are real and what unequal. Third sum, same sum by comparing the equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a value is what? 1, b is what? minus 2, and c is what? 1. Correct? So find what delta. b square minus 4 is c. b कितना है? minus 2 square 4, a की वैल्यू 1, c की वैल्यू 1, माइनस ए स्क्वायर ए होगा पॉजिटिव, minus 4. So delta is equal to what? 0. Delta is 0. So delta is equal to 0. Therefore, roots are real and what? Equal. So we have done what today? Second sum, third sum, fourth sum, fifth sum, and what? Sixth sum. Then next problem set other sum we are going to what? Do tomorrow. I am going to operate what? The sums for tomorrow. Correct? Question number 6. Determine the nature of the root. It means what? It can be 0, it can be negative, it can be positive. Correct? अगर नेगेटिव रहेगा तो रूट्स आर नॉट इक्वल, अगर पॉजिटिव रहेगा रूट्स आर रियल एंड इक्वल, अगर डेल्टा 0 रहेगा तो रूट्स आर व्हाट? रियल एंड इक्वल. ये हमने प्रीवियसली क्या था? पहली सम, ये इक्वेशन दिया हम लोग को मल्टीप्लाई बाय कंपेयरिंग द इक्वेशन विद ax स्क्वायर bx प्लस c. a की वैल्यू 3, b की वैल्यू -5, c की वैल्यू 7. फाइंड करने का डेल्टा b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. वैल्यू को सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, वैल्यू मिलेगा आपको 25 माइनस 84. डेल्टा कितना हो गया? -59. नंबर नेगेटिव में आता है तो डेल्टा इज व्हाट? लेस देन 0. अगर डेल्टा नेगेटिव है तो डेल्टा तो हो गया लेस देन 0. तो रूट्स आर नॉट इक्वल. देन कम्स टू द सेकंड सम. अगेन बाय कंपैरिजन द इक्वेशन विद सेम. a की वैल्यू क्या है? √3, b की वैल्यू क्या है? √2 और c की वैल्यू क्या है? -2√3. So find the value delta b square minus 4ac. b की वैल्यू क्या है? √2 minus 4 आ गया. a की वैल्यू क्या है? √3 और c की वैल्यू क्या है? -2√3. c √2 का स्क्वायर क्या आएगा? 2. 4 2 जा 8. पहले 4 माइनस व्हाट? प्लस 4 2 जा 8. √3 into √3 3. 2 आ गया. 8 3 जा 24. 24 plus 2 26. बट ये पॉजिटिव है, अगर पॉजिटिव है तो रूट इज व्हाट? ग्रेटर देन 0. When root is greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. Third sum. By comparison the equation with this one. When compare this equation, a की value भी what? 1, b की value -2, c की value क्या रहेगा? 1. Find what? b square minus 4ac. तो माइनस आ गया, 2 का स्क्वायर 4, 4 minus 4 0. When you get the value of 0, so roots are real and what? Equal.